Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Taj Hassan. I am from Jharkhand and I am currently pursuing my MSc in Applied Mathematics from NIT Warangal. So today we will discuss matrices. Matrices. First we will discuss definition of matrix. Definition of matrix. Matrix is nothing but is a arrangement of some numbers or elements in rectangular array is called a matrix. For example, this is my matrix A, B, C, D. This is example of matrix. See this matrix elements arranged in two types, horizontally and vertically. This is horizontally and this is vertically. Okay. Horizontally arrangement is called as row and vertically arrangement is called as column. So horizontally is called as row and vertically arrangement is called as column. And row is denoted by Ri and column is denoted by Cj. This is Ri and this is denoted by Cj, where I and j from 1, 2, 3 and so on, where I, j, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so now see this matrix, how many rows and how many columns. So this is R1. Okay, so this is R1, this is R2 and this is C1, this is C2. Okay, so how many rows and how many columns? So number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 2. Okay, so now see this matrix and all matrix and any matrix of any elements can be written as in the form of Aij, where I denotes the row numbers and J denotes the column numbers. So this is Ij. Okay, any elements can be written as in the form of Aij, where I denotes the row number and J denotes the column number. Okay, column number. So this element can be written in the form of Aij and also this element can be written as in the form of Aij. All elements of can be written as in the form of Aij. So first we write this element, position of this element, first row and first column. So first row and first column and I denotes the row numbers and J denotes the column number. So first row and this position of this element is first row and first column. So write as first row 1, and first column. So this is A, and this element can be written in the form of Aij. So this element, position of this element, first row and second column. So this is 1, 2, first row and second column. This is B. Okay, and this element can be written in the form of Aij. Okay, so this position of this element, second row, first column. So first, second row. So first, second row, and then first column. This is C. And also this element can be written as in the form of Aij. So this is A. Position of these elements, second row and second column. So second row and second column. This is D. Okay. So all elements of any matrix can be written as in the form of Aij. Any matrix of any elements can be written as in the form of Aij. Okay, so now we will discuss a order of matrix. The order of matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix. a matrix having m rows and n columns, then m by n is called order of matrix. See, m number of rows, number of rows, n number of columns, then m by n. Write as m cross n, but read as m by n is called order of matrix. Order of matrix. Okay. See this example. Okay. See this example. How many rows and how many columns? So number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 2. So order of A. Order of A is equal to how many rows and how many columns? So number of rows is 2 and number of columns, so 2 by 2. Take another example. So this is my B matrix. Okay. So the A, B, C, D, E, F. See these elements. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E. Okay, D, E, F. Okay. So see this matrix. How many rows and how many columns? Number of rows and number of columns. Okay. So this is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Okay. So how many columns? 3 columns. Okay. And how many rows? First row and second row. Okay. R1 and R2. Second. Number of rows 2 and number of columns 3. Okay. So order of B is order of B. So number of rows. First we write number of rows. Don't confuse. First write number of rows. So first number of rows 2 and then number of columns. Number of columns. How many number of columns in this matrix? First, second, third. So 3. Number of columns 3. Okay. So this is order of B is equal to 2 cross 3. Now in general of m by n matrix can be write as in the form of A is equal to Aij, where order mentioned in this place m by n, and also write as in the form of Aij, where all elements Aij, like this A11, A12 dot dot A1. And how many columns? So columns are n. So 1, 2, 3 and so on n. How many rows? M rows. So now in vertically rows m. So m column is 1. So this, and also this is m2 and this is also m n. So this is my general matrix of m by n, order m by n. This is my general matrix of order m by n. So let take one example, simple example, how to construct a matrix. So construct a matrix. Example construct a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Okay, where element like this Aij is equal to I minus j. Okay, so first we write general matrix of 2 cross 3, so in the form of Aij. Okay, so first we write this A matrix, we take matrix A. Okay, so first 2 cross 3, so how many rows and how many columns? Number of rows is 2 and number of columns are 3. Okay, number of columns are 2 and number of columns are 3 and number of rows are 2. So this is 1 1. Okay, first row and first column, first row and second column, first row and third column. So number of columns are 3. Okay, so this is second row, first column. So 2 2 2 and 2 3. Okay, so how many rows? So number of rows 2 and number of columns are 3. Okay, so now first element like this, aij is equal to I minus j. So first element, position of this element, first row and first column, so I is equal to 1 and j is equal to also 1. Okay, so I minus j equal to 0, and also this element 2 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and also this 1 3 is equal to j I minus j. Okay, I minus j, so this is not 2, this is 1 minus I minus j is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now this is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, and this element 2 I is equal to 2, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this is 2 2 0, 2 minus 2, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2, and this element 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, so 2 3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now my final matrix is, this is my final matrix, final final matrix. A is equal to, A is equal to, so 0 minus 1 minus 1, and also this minus 2 minus 2, and this elements 1 0 and minus 1. Okay, so my final matrix is, now reach all elements. Then now we will discuss types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. So first one is row matrix. What is row matrix? So first one, row matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix, a matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. Column can be 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, so only one, a matrix having only one row, only one row called as row matrix, only one row. So for example, this is my matrix. Okay, this is only one row, so 1 1 1 2 dot dot 1 n, my general matrix of 1 cross n, because number of row is, number of row is 1 and number of columns are n. Okay, so order is in order like this place. Okay, so write this place 1 cross n. Okay, so this is my row matrix. Now second one is column matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. Only one column. Only one column. Only one column. So for example, this is my example. Okay, so this is my column matrix. Example of column. So this is my A matrix column. Column. This is 1 1. This is 2 1. This is M1. So how many columns in this matrix? One columns, and how many rows? M rows. So order for